This is the ZecHub sync meeting. It's the 17th of February, and yeah, we're just going to go through updates from the past 2 weeks. We'll start with core team updates, and yeah, what has ZecHub been doing for the past 2 weeks? We had so I'm just going through Twitter. We had a Valentine's campaign where we shared an address that people could send messages. So yeah, thanks to Croy for the lovely design. And I think my laptop's freezing. Sorry. And we had a video as well. Yeah, my laptop's freezing up. Okay, and we had a video as well. I have participated in the first 2 days of the Zcash Contributors Workshop. These were live streamed to X, thanks to Yogi for the help restreaming. Yeah, we had Zcash Shielded News go out this past Wednesday. Thank you to Vito for writing that up. Let me pull up Vito's updates 1 second. So over the last few weeks, we've been focused on outreach and a market campaign on ShapeShift. After some delays getting a response, H. Payne let us know he left ShapeShift and connected us with Tim. So as of today, we're planning an early March community call for Zcash and ShapeShift, covering both projects' lore and the swap integration with shielded support still in progress. Vito is producing a video plus an article with Tim's support. So this will be cross-promotion across both of the communities. So Vito and Dismad did create a video demo of ShapeShift swaps, but it didn't include the correct wallet, so it's getting redone. On content and support, Vito shared website bug feedback with ZF. And we also have 2 ZEC Summit interviews which are ready to release along with shorts. So I think the next one is going to be Zcash Shielded Assets. Yeah, hopefully soon. Community Ops. Arbris Call shorts were posted. And yeah, he's been restreaming from Zoom to Discord. Yeah, as we've seen, ZSN continues. We've also been improving internal community comms, Discord maintenance and cleanup, and publishing sync meeting highlights to Substack, Free2Z, and X, and the other socials there. Yeah, we had a meeting with ZCG over the past week, and so we're going to be working closer with some of the global ambassador projects moving forward. So work on that has already started. Oh my goodness. Sorry, my laptop is struggling right now. Okay, here we are. Yeah, let me pull up the wiki just to demo. Yeah, so now on the homepage, we have Zcash Global Ambassadors. I think Croy is working on a replacement for many of the icons on the wiki. So many of these, all of these are going to be updated. And this one for Global Ambassadors, which now links to our Global Ambassadors page. So once you go to ZecHub Wiki and you're from a different region, you should be easily able to find the Global Ambassador project that suits you. Alongside this, yeah, I think we're just starting to figure out localization, languages, multiple language support on the wiki, so that we can get help from global ambassadors to like check that translated pages are correct, and maybe they can contribute stuff as well. Work that's been done to the visualizer. So this is still an area of focus. If we look through the D work, there's still many visualizer sections being added. I think we still do need to read to go through the quizzes that have been added to make sure that there are enough good questions there. Yeah, so visualizer is nearly complete. Something else that has been in progress is ZEC-Bounties. So Tron recently shared ZEC-Bounties with the ZecHub DAO, and we had a little testing session where we discovered bugs. Feedback was given, and I don't know if we're able to share that, but yeah, some of it was really useful. I don't know, maybe we could get Tron on to comment on feedback he received. Is he still here?
Don't see him, but I do know he added support for public README. So now the public can read the bounties without having to log into GitHub, which is new.
It looks like Tron's already added the back end and front end, so I'll paste this here, and any devs to review it, and sorry, I'll remove. Yeah, give some feedback and create a ticket, make a PR. It's all open source. Moving on. So proposals. We received a DAO proposal from Zork over the past 2 weeks. As of today, it was rejected. I think this was a retroactive proposal to get funding.
Fab, your mic is on.
I was freeing.
Server muted.
Yeah,
Sorry
it's
about that.
prayers. So where are we? Okay, here we are. We have an open proposal, so it will be this one, A138. This is from Speedfox, who is applying to become a DAO member. I believe it's very close to passing. We just need a couple more people to participate in this vote. So DAO members, spread the word. Let's get more people voting. I think there was another proposal from it was from Omega, and yeah, she was proposing to create videos for the ZecHub IG and TikTok, and this received a lot of votes, so 57, nearly 58% turnout, and it narrowly got rejected. So what else? Yeah, as of today, during the workshop, I created. So the tasks went out today. I wanted to get people who are in the workshop involved in the bounty program. I guess there should be a test URL instead of running locally for now. Yeah, I think there was one, wasn't there?
I'll get it, Squirrel.
Thanks.
So yeah,
hey, yeah.
that's,
Sorry.
any feedback would be great here. This is definitely a beta. So thank you for those who test and let us don't be shy with the feedback, because this is ultimately for everyone in the community. So please don't be shy.
It's looking good. It'd be amazing to have the wiki kind of in this format too, to have like a standard design interface. I think that would be like my first direct feedback, but this is great.
Probationary. What do you mean, Kenzo? I don't understand. Yeah, moving on. So my first Zcash. Today's meeting was it was yesterday's meeting that was cancelled. Yeah, we had the workshop happening, and so yeah, we're gonna reconvene next week. What's happening now is me and Dre are adding the comments. So Speedfox and Els, with the help of TS and Triple, added a bunch of comments to the entire workbook. And so now the work is to apply those comments to the main text. And so once that's ready for Monday next week, we're going to proceed to graphic design and translations. Yeah, we're still on schedule for my first Zcash version 2, so it's looking good. Any updates from Dismount?
Yeah, let me post the document and I'll go through it real quick. Pardon my throat here. All right. On the Namada side, we are still running a validator node, and there was a critical bug release for Comet BFT, so I got that updated and patched. More recently, I found a bug in Zcool, and I was talking to Han about that. We got that fixed. I've been actively working with some of the Zingo team because we actually use Zingo CL or using Zingo CLI as the back end for ZEC-Bounty. So we are collaborating and working through issues that we found. So I created one PR, just simple PR that it displays the help in a way that's easier for me to see. And I also created a quick bash script for exporting transactions from Zingo CLI into JSONs. So there's lots of ways of doing it, but that's just using bash and got it going. And obviously I've been working with Tron to set up the ZecBounties. We have a new dev server set up. It's running 2 Zebra nodes, both in testnet and also 2 Light Wallet D nodes. Kind of a cool setup where we can test each other. Zebra's nodes. I also been working on DAODAO. They have an open API for grabbing details on DAOs. So I figured out how to extract that using bash. So we're going to start adding more information to our wiki directly from DAODAO from our smart contract address. And I'll be releasing these soonish. And anyone can plug in any DAO address and get the same information. So I think it's useful. Hopefully you guys like it. And I've also been testing out Han's Graph IQL server, which is built into Zcool as support. And I added a link there at the end. You can basically pragmatically access Zcool's backend and use the front end Graph IQL to quickly, for example, set up Frost transactions, which I verified works, and it's amazing. So it's something to look forward to in the future. But I've just been researching all the working Frost solutions that are currently available, and that's one of them that people may not know about. So yeah, that's mainly what I've been working on. Also, I'm still helping with the Zcash vote authority. We are wrapping up this week the vote, and we'll see how that goes. It's sure to be exciting.
Yay.
Scrub.
Hey, sorry, I was software muted. But yeah, I pulled up the wrong dismount. This account is flagged and therefore cannot authorize a third-party application. Just tried logging in. That's interesting. Yeah, I think Leetbytes also had issues with GitHub due to his location, maybe? I don't know. So Dismad, I think what you created, the graph IQL thing. Here it is. Yeah, so just to explain it for people, you can programmatically interact with Frost. Is that correct? How does it work?
Yeah, so you can connect it to your local running node or to a public facing node, and it connects to this interface that runs locally, and you can query, you can create queries or mutations or whatever they call it, depending on what you're trying to do, to basically program to do things. So you can check your balance, for example, or you can create a Frost address or a multisig. So basically everything you can do in Zcool via some UI, you can do it via this language. So it's pretty powerful in what it's possible, and encapsulates a lot of the hard stuff using the Zcool backend. So it's pretty neat. But I don't have a lot of experience with that language, but from what I'm seeing, it seems pretty cool.
Very cool. Yeah, we also I think it was last week Wednesday we joined. Yeah, last week Wednesday we joined the ZCast podcast. It was a really cool episode. Everyone, make sure you go and watch the full video, on ZCast YouTube channel. Yeah, stuff coming up. So we have a DAO meeting tomorrow. Thank you, Auditor. Thank you. Yeah, I gave you a shout out at the end. So the workshop tomorrow has been moved back 30 minutes, so that DAO members have time to join a special call which we're going to have with Enclave team, so we can test out private voting for the DAO. So DAO members that are in the call, I think, yeah, Michael gave ETH address already.
So yeah, DAO members,
Hoi.
I need to send you guys some testnet ETH, and some tokens that we're going to need for tomorrow. So if we can do that in advance, it'll save time because it's kind of a hassle to do it live.
Yeah,
Oh,
Croy
right.
and Yoditar. I'm rich in testnet. Yeah, I don't think we have any others. Yoditar, Vito, Michael Croy. Yeah. Flexing my testnet balance at the club, I know. Like, I think we've covered the past 2 weeks. Let me just make sure. Yeah, Arborist Call videos went out. Oh yeah, so this happened Feb 8th. I joined Dre for he was hosting a meetup at Ibadan University, and I joined him, I think it was Sunday morning, for a quick call explaining ZecHub Bounty program. Yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm going to open the floor. Do we have any comments, feedback, anything from you guys? Tomorrow I'm going to put in a proposal to join the DAO. You're very welcome to. Let me know if you need Juno.
I think I got a few scattered around, but yeah, I'll definitely. This is my first time hearing about the private voting testing. I definitely want to participate. I don't know if that's contingent on being a DAO member yet, but maybe we can connect Dismad to prepare for that as well.
What's your question, Graphi?
Hello, Sanada Yukimura. Welcome, very welcome, Yoditar. I guess it was a pretty short meeting this week. Nice swords. Hey, Zarkwing. Yeah, so I guess what you can look forward to over the next couple of days, we're going to be posting the Zcash shielded assets video. We're going to have Zcash shielded news going out either tomorrow or Thursday. Yeah, DAO members, please get in your ETH addresses. Visualizer is going to be complete very soon. Speedfox has worked on a wiki page for Zcash improvement proposals, and well, it's not a page, it's a dashboard. And so yeah, that's going to be merged fairly soon. Yeah, I don't know how ZEC-Bounties testing is going to continue, but I guess it'll be DAO members for now. Return if lost, I have a page for you. If you want to know how to put in a DAO proposal.
Okay, please, yeah.
Here it is. It's not active yet. It's still in demo phase if that's the one you tried to access with your GitHub. Yeah, I don't know what Graphify was referring to.
I think you should watch the workshop that we did today. That basically goes over everything.
Yeah, shout out to Els. This series of workshops is going really well. Super. Okay, so thanks everyone for joining. Hit me up in the main chat if you have any further questions. And good evening. Bye.
Oh, and just in case it wasn't clear, ZecBounties is running testnet, guys. So if you want to test, use testnet addresses.